Good evening, former CMD, Shri Narayanan sir, my colleagues on the board, Shri Kalla ED, Shri Reddy sir, directors of, distinguished guests, valuable patrons, members of the media, my dear colleagues from Andhra Bank as well as India First Life Insurance, members of Andhra Bank family, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a very hearty welcome to all of you to this Foundation Day celebration this evening. It is indeed my proud privilege to share with this elite gathering the joyful feeling of gaiety and exuberance that I experience now while I celebrate 91st Foundation Day of our August institution. It has today grown over the years to become one of the giant mid-sized public sector banks of the country and now marching ahead to find its rightful place in the committee of large banks. We take pride in the fact that the course of our momentous journey of 90 years of service to our customers has been marked by innumerable milestones. We just watched the short film highlighting all those milestones. And 90 years is a very small span of time for a gigantic organization like ours, and we are hopeful that with the dedicated workforce of 20,000 plus, we can channelize our efforts to take our beloved institution to the pinnacle of glory and excellence very soon. We have been striving with all our concerted efforts at realizing the dreams of our great founder who has left this shining legacy behind and has been the role model, the guiding force all along in our long journey. All these years we have been a partner in the nation's progress by constantly endeavoring to excel our quality of service while contributing to the economic betterment of the deprived sections of society and enriching the rural life. During the course of our rendezvous with destiny, we have weathered many ups and downs, but with the dedication of a dynamic workforce as well as the unflinching and unwavering patronage of our valued customers, we have come out successful every time. At present, the whole banking industry is undergoing some stress on account of various factors. However, we are more than confident that we will tide over this transient phase as in the past. It is no less befitting that today we are celebrating the Foundation Day not only to mark the setting up of the bank but also to rededicate ourselves and renew our commitment towards the objectives for which the bank was set up. Before concluding, I would like to quote our visionary founder. I quote, "Let us carve our nation with equality as the base, liberty as the summit, and fraternity as the cementing factor," unquote. Thank you very much. Thank you.